Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. It's me, it's Elda Arves. Today is a sunny day after the winter storm. So that's my content of my vlogs, of my video. Guys, it's very sunny, after the winter storm happened, and now it's a very nice day. Look at that, the sun, right? But still coming soon, the other, so we can take a picture for a while. Okay guys, stay with me. Look at that, guys. It's a very sunny and it's a beautiful day, right? So stay with me, guys. Give me 1 second. There you go. We continue. I'm going somewhere first for a while. It's a morning beauty. Okay guys, don't hesitate to make a comment, and so that I can improve. My video, my vlog is not like professional. It's only just for fun. Okay, so I want you to make fun watching my video, and whatever is that, you give a comment for me. Okay, I'm not mad. I'm not, what is this, I want to correct. Thank you for everything, for that, for your support. Now it's not here, guys. I show you the road that is the clean up our road side. Did you see? Now it's clean up. Then you wait, but still look like a mountain. See, look at that. So look at the clouds. So nice, the clouds. Guys, you observe the clouds. That's the clouds that after the winter storm, and then the sun. What a beautiful, right? It's so beautiful. Well guys, enjoy my video. Stay tuned.